Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Ever wondered how to fill your text with moving videos in Canva? I'll show you how. Click Create, then select Videos. Choose a landscape video for this project. Next, add text to your video by selecting the text option. Position and style the text as needed to enhance your message. This process helps you quickly customize your video content effectively. In VG Design, search for the 210 text style or font style. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and select the desired option to apply it to your design. This completes the font style selection process. Click the black box and add your text by typing directly inside. Enter the desired words, such as box. Then, adjust the size by enlarging the text to fit your design. This allows you to customize the appearance quickly and clearly. To add a video, first place it in the center of your workspace. Next, go to Elements and search for a video, like this river clip. Select the video, then send it to the back or choose to detach it from the background. After detaching, you can freely position and edit the video layer independently. This allows you to integrate video seamlessly with other design elements, creating a dynamic and engaging composition. Continue adjusting until you achieve the desired effect. Trim the video to match the same length and width as the text. You can adjust the cropping handles to fit precisely, ensuring the video aligns perfectly with the text dimensions for a clean and professional appearance. Reduce the duration, then click Preview to watch your video and confirm the changes before saving your project. That's how to add video behind text. Once you're done, click the Share button to share your project, or the Download button to save the video to your device. This completes the process quickly and easily. Increase the video quality by adjusting the settings. You can also export your video as a GIF file. Simply select the desired quality, then choose the GIF format to save and share your animation easily with others. Now you know how to add videos inside text in Canva. Like and subscribe for more cool design tips.